5 newly discovered sea creatures you've never seen before. Deep Sea Discoveries. 2025. The ocean, the part of our planet that humans have barely touched. And every time we send a camera into its depths, something comes back that leaves scientists speechless. In 2024 and 2025, researchers discovered some sea creatures that no human had ever seen before. Today, you'll meet 5 brand new deep-sea creatures that are not only strange, they're unbelievable. And number 3, you won't believe what it's called. Number 1. Bathylepota wadatsumi, the secret of 6,000 meters below. A deep-sea expedition near Japan sent a robotic arm down into the darkness. At nearly 6,000 meters deep, it found small metallic-like shells stuck to rocks. When scientists brought them up and looked under a microscope, they were stunned. It was a new species of limpet, the deepest living limpet ever found. They named it Wadatsumi, after the Japanese god of the sea. And even now, scientists are still trying to understand how such a tiny creature can survive under that much pressure and freezing darkness. Number 2. Edmopterus westraliensis, the shark that glows in the dark. Off the west coast of Australia, a research team was setting deep-sea traps. One day, a small shark was caught, but when they brought it near the light, its body began to glow. At first, they thought it was some kind of fungus or chemical reaction, but DNA tests proved otherwise. It was a new species of lantern shark, one that uses special light cells called photophores to produce its own light. That glow helps it camouflage in the pitch-black ocean, hiding from predators in a way only nature could invent. A glowing shark, 600 meters deep. Not science fiction, but pure reality. Number 3. Iridogorgia chewbacca, a coral or an alien life form. In the deep Atlantic Ocean, a robotic camera captured something bizarre. It was moving slightly, shimmering under the light, with long hair-like strands waving in the current. At first, scientists thought it was just a coral, but when they studied it closely, they burst out laughing. This was a new bamboo coral species, and they named it Chewbacca, after the Star Wars character. Its unique branching structure looks hairy and alive, and when deep-sea currents hit it, it almost seems to breathe. Number 4. Gordonopsis mazupo, the crab with a design no one understands. During a deep-sea mission in the South China Sea, scientists found a crab unlike any other. Its shell wasn't round, it wasn't flat. It had a strange balloon-like shape no one had seen before. When they ran DNA tests, the truth came out. This was a completely new species of crab, one that evolved a special body shape to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. One scientist said, "It feels like nature is engineering these animals to survive where humans can't even exist." Number 5. Sueviota ethon, the tiny fish with a bad attitude. In the Red Sea, a marine biologist was photographing coral reefs when he noticed a tiny orange fish glaring at the camera. It was only 1.7 centimeters long, but its face looked permanently angry, like it was done with everyone's nonsense. When they examined it later, DNA tests revealed it was a brand new goby species named Sueviota ethon. But everyone calls it the grumpy goby, a fish the size of your fingertip with the personality of a shark. These were the 5 newly discovered sea creatures that scientists found only recently. Think about it. Humans have explored just 5% of the ocean, and we've already discovered creatures like these. So what could be hiding in the other 95%? Maybe a species that can reflect light, or one that never comes to the surface at all. Tell me, which creature shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you love ocean mysteries, make sure to subscribe, because next time we're diving into the deep sea creatures that communicate through sound.